The Golden Hinde is a sailing ship docked here in the heart of London. After many years of sailing, it is in much need of repair, and that's what we here at the Golden Hinde are doing. In the upcoming weeks, we're going to give you an in-depth and unique view at the various works taking place on board the ship. We'll get up close and personal with the shipwrights as they overcome the various challenges of restoring a Tudor galleon.
Okay, so Alex and Tom are pumping up the deck boards. This wouldn't be an advisable method on smaller boats because you'd probably destroy the boat. The thing is, there's a gun deck down there that's got huge deck beams. We're able to utilise the gun deck to be able to push up the deck boards on the main deck here. And we have to do this before relaying the new deck, obviously. If you guys want to lift one up, we'll have a look.
These are bottle jacks. These are scaffold bars which we've modified. So what we do is we start at the beginning of the plank, we start working it up. This is the best way to get them up without completely destroying the plank. We might not use the plank again, but it's always nice to get it out in one piece. And maybe it might have a second life sometime.
This is a pry bar, a giant pry bar, which generally lifts up 5-ton pallets, or it can lift 5 tons. We've converted it into a giant crowbar. So we're using it to extract stumps, which are basically giant nails or rivets.
Yeah. Oh, that's a tough one.
Yeah. There we are, stump extracted. So, as you can see, the shipwrights are fairing in the deck beams. Over the years, they've moved around. A lot of the half dovetail joints are protruding. So yeah, we're having to fair all the deck beams in, ready to receive the deck, so we've got a nice fair deck. The gun deck currently, we need to shot blast it before the decks go down, and the type of grit we're using is 0.5mm aluminium. That's quite kind to the timber. The original coating was raw linseed oil because it's still quite tacky to touch. Attracted lots of dirt to it over the years, so you can't really see the grain anymore. So it will be a lot brighter and be more beautiful.